Hello everyone, today in this video we'll learn tricks to find square of any two-digit number. But what is square? When we multiply any number with itself. Suppose we have to find the square of 87. That means 87 into 87. How we can do that with the help of trick? First we'll take the square of one digit and write the answer in two digits. What's the square of 7? 7 into 7? 49. Then you have to take the square of 10th digit, that is 8 square, and again write the answer in 2 digits. 8 into 8, 64. Now for the final step, you have to simply multiply 8 into 7 with 2. That is 8 into 7, 56 into 2, 112. But while writing 112, you have to be careful, you have to leave this space and then write 112. Now simply add this to get the final answer. It's 9, it's 6, here 5 and 7. So the final answer of square of 87 is 7569. Let's take one more example. Suppose we have to find the square of 53. How we can do that? Again, we'll follow the same steps. First, we'll take the square of one digit and write the answer in two digits. But as you know, what's the square of 3? It's 3 into 3, 9. But that's a one digit number. So you have to fill two digits. So first digit you will write 0. Now you have to take the square of 5 and again you have to write the answer in two digits. We can write 25. For the final step, you have to simply multiply these digits 5 into 3 with 2. 5 into 3 is 15. 15 into 2 is 30. But while writing the answer, you have to leave this space. So 30. Let's add this to get the final answer. 9082. So the final answer of square of 53 is 2809. Let's take last example. Suppose we have to take the square of 45. How we'll do that? Again, we'll follow the same steps. We'll take the square of one digit and write the answer in two digits. That is 25. We'll take the square of 10 digit and write the answer in two digits. That's 16. And then for the final step, you have to multiply 4 into 5, that is 20, with 2, 40. But you have to leave this space and write 40. Now, simply add, it's 5, it's 2, here 6 plus 4 is 10, so you will carry 1 and 2. So the final answer of 45 square is 2025. But here I want to tell you one thing. Whenever you have to find the square of any two-digit number that ends with 5, for this we have one more trick. You can simply, what you can do, suppose we have to find the square of same number again, we can simply take the square of one digit, like 5 square is 25. And what we have to do now, for the 10th digit, we have to simply multiply with its next number. That is 4 into 5. Now, what is 4 into 5? It's 20. So, the final answer is 2025. So, wherever you have to find the square of any two-digit number that ends with 5, you can simply follow this trick as it will save your time. Thank you, everyone.